Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove VPN apps that keep reinstalling themselves on Android, follow these step-by-step instructions to completely eliminate persistent malware. Step 1. Boot your Android device into safe mode by pressing and holding the power button, then pressing and holding the power off option until safe mode appears. Step 2. Once in safe mode, third-party apps including malicious VPNs will be disabled, making them easier to remove. Step 3. Open Settings and navigate to Apps or Application Manager. Step 4. Find the VPN app that keeps reinstalling itself in the list of installed applications. Step 5. Tap on the VPN app and select Force Stop to prevent it from running. Step 6. Tap Uninstall to remove the app. If the uninstall option is grayed out, the app may have device administrator privileges. Step 7. Go to Settings, then Security, then Device Administrators to see if the VPN app has administrator access. Step 8. Deselect the VPN app from the Device Administrators list to revoke its privileges. Step 9. Return to the Apps menu and try uninstalling the VPN app again. It should now uninstall successfully. Step 10. Restart your device normally and install a reputable antivirus app to scan for and remove any remaining malware. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.